Sipping cold beers under the sun's warm glow. Mr. Parrot man's here, putting on a show. Waves are crashing softly, a tropical breeze. Laughing with my buddy, feeling at ease. Colors flying high, in the sky they play. Life feels like a dream in this sunny bay. So here's to the sunshine, the laughter and cheer. With cold drinks in hand, there's nothing to fear. In beautiful Boracay, life's easy and free. Just me, Mr. Parrot, and the sparkling sea. Poolside lounging with stories to share. Tales of adventures floating in the air. Feathers of the parrot, vibrant and bright. Every moment magic from morning to night. Dancing shadows flicker as the sun takes a dive, with Mr. Parrot by my side.